A tab in any tab group can easily be closed with a tap on the Close button in its upper right corner in All Tabs view, or a click on the X to close it from the tab bar. If we want a page to remain in a tab group permanently and be more difficult to remove from the tab group, we can pin it. Let's head into the Travel Blogs tab group on iPhone. To pin a tab, tap and hold on it, and then Pin Tab. That moves it to the top of the group, and it's now pinned. There's no X here that will allow the tab to be removed from the group. To do that, tap and hold to unpin the tab, or close it to remove it from the tab group. We can also pin or unpin a tab by drag and drop. Tap and hold on a tab here. Drag it under the title and release to pin the tab. We can unpin the same way. These pin tabs have synced over on the iPad. Up in the tab bar, they are displayed on the far left as small icons. Tap on each to display that page. We can pin tabs on iPad the same as we did on the iPhone, from the contextual menu or with a drag and drop. The drag and drop method only seems to work if there is already a pinned tab up here. Pinning tabs in Safari can be a great way to save websites permanently within a tab group. It can be a good idea to pin all the key web pages within a tab group. And only keep pages that you don't want to always have saved in the group unpinned.